I think it was Labor Day when we were there. It might have been another holiday, but whatever it was, they had given us the weekend off, and me and my welding partner actually decided we're just going to go to El Paso. We're going to
Okay.
see what's around here. So we drove about 4 or 5 hours down there and fooled around for a day, and then well, we had another 1 or 2 days to do something. So he said, well, let's just see what there's around here, and we got to looking, and there was a place called White Sands National Park. It was a really pretty place. I mean, the sand's white. I mean, just looks like you're out on the beach somewhere with a big mountain view in the background. So we went up there and looked around, and it was a really neat place to go.
Yeah, I think a lot of people, whether they're young or in a different career or whatever, they see these welders are out here and you're dirty, you're sweating, you're working hard, and they think it is all work and no play. And they don't realize that, man, you're getting paid to see our beautiful country.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that's one of the good things about it. You know what I mean? There's not many, especially if you go to KWI when you're like 18 or 19. Think of how many 18 or 19 or 20 or shoot, even people up into their 30s get to go travel across America. There's not many times where somebody can just take a phone call and the person on the other end say, hey, you want to go to Savannah, Georgia tomorrow on an emergency job. It's going to be 3 or 4 days. You get down there, you work 3 or 4 days, you can buy the hotel out for another 2, 3 days and stay down there and sightsee.